This has got like over 1,000 silicone micro fingers. It's pretty soft. And there are 14 different speed functions on this. Here is the plus and the minus to change the speed of this. Let me just start and show you. You can understand from the noise itself that I have reduced the speed, and now I'll increase it. This is really nice to massage your face. It's pretty soft and it can be used every day. As per the instructions, it's written to use it twice daily. So that's pretty nice. It's waterproof, it's rechargeable, and it's portable. It's got the charger right inside this. It's an amazing gift for anyone, and you can use it pretty easily on your face for massaging it daily. Okay, thank you.